Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we will go with one of the application of the stack, infix to postfix conversion. The topic covered in this session are what is infix, postfix and prefix notation, steps for converting infix to postfix expression and their rules, algorithm and example. Before going to the conversion, let us see what is meant by infix, prefix and postfix expression. First one is an infix expression. Here plus, minus, star, slash and percentage are called as operators. The variables a, b, c are called as operands. If the operator is in between the operands, then it is called as infix expression. For example, we can say a plus b is an infix expression where the operator plus is in between the operands a and b. The next one is a postfix expression. In postfix expression, first there will be an operands and after that we have to write the operators. It is also known as reverse Polish notation. The expression is in the form of a, b plus where the operator plus is after the operands a and b. The third one is prefix notation. In the prefix notation, first there will be an operator, then we have to write the operands. Example for this one is plus AB, where the operator plus is before the operands A and B. It is also known as Polish notation. Here is the one simple example will show how to convert a infix expression to postfix and prefix expression. Steps required for conversion. For this conversion, we are supposed to follow some steps. First, we have to read the infix expression, that is an input. And after the completion of conversion, the final output will be the postfix expression. With the help of the stack only, we can perform infix to postfix conversion. Read each and every character from left to right for conversion. Our expression may also contain parenthesis. If the character is left parenthesis, that is open bracket, just to push it into the stack. If the character is an operand, that is A, B and C which are found, we have to add it to the postfix expression. If the character is an operator, we have to check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, push that operator into stack. If the stack is not empty, check the priority of operator. If the priority of operator is greater than the operator currently present at the top of the stack, then push that operator into stack. Suppose if the priority of operator less than or equal to the operator currently present at the top of the stack, then pop operator from the stack and add it to postfix expression. And again go back to the step 1. If the character is a right parenthesis, that is close bracket, then pop all the operators from the stack until it reaches the left parenthesis and add it to the postfix expression. After reading all the characters from the infix expression, if the stack is not empty, then pop and add it to the postfix expression. Here is the rules for conversion. Before going to the rules, we have to know the priorities of operators. Exponent and expression within a brackets have the highest priority. Next to that, asterisk and slash, that is multiplication and division having the same priority. The lowest priority operators are plus and minus. Rule number 1. No two operators of same priority can stay together in the stack. Next rule is the lowest priority cannot be placed before the highest priority. These are the rules to be followed for converting infix to postfix expression. Algorithm for converting infix to postfix expression. First we have to initialize the stack and read each and every character from the expression. If the character is an operand, we have to add it to the postfix. Else, if the character is an operator, we have to check the priority of that operator. If the priority is greater, then push it into the stack. If the priority is lesser, pop that operator from stack and add it to the postfix expression. After reading all the characters from the input infix expression, if the stack is not empty, then pop it out and add it to the postfix expression. This is how the algorithm will process. Algorithm analysis. The time complexity of converting infix to postfix expression is for worst case, average case and best case, it will take theta of n power 2. And for the space complexity, it will take theta of n, where n is the number of literals, that is characters in the infix expression. The simple example for converting infix to postfix expression. The given infix expression is a plus b asterisk c. Now we have to read each and every character from the given expression from left to right. The first character is a. If the character is an operand, we have to add it to the postfix expression. So the character a is added to the postfix expression. The next character is plus. Plus is an operator. If the character is an operator, we have to check whether the stack is empty or non-empty. Initially the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, we have to push that operator into stack. So the plus operator is push it into the stack. Next character is b. B is an operand. If the character is an operand, we have to add it to the postfix expression. So operand b is added to the postfix expression. The next character is asterisk. Asterisk is an operator. If the character is an operator, we have to check the stack is empty or non-empty. Now the stack is non-empty. Already the plus operator is inside the stack. If the stack is non-empty means we have to check the priority of that operator. Asterisk has the highest priority. If the operator has the highest priority, we have to push it into the stack. So the asterisk operator is push it into the stack. Next character is C. C is an operand. If the character is an operand, we have to add it to the postfix expression. So the operand C is added to the postfix expression. The reading of all the given expression is completed. Now I am going to check the stack is empty or non-empty. The stack is non-empty. Non-empty means we have to pop it out from the stack and add it to the postfix expression. Asterisk and plus operators are pop out from the stack and add it to the postfix expression. Now I got my final postfix expression as A, B, C, asterisk, plus. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.